Hey everybody, welcome to a new video. So today I opened the charts, right? And we were in this beautiful moneymaker setup on the M1. Let me show you. The setup also had swept liquidity before. Okay, let me show you here. So sweep liquidity, we break structure. We have our high probability zone. Okay. What makes it more high probability is this first tap and this beautiful accumulation in here. Okay. Now, I didn't take it blindly. I was just trying to wait for some kind of confirmation. And then here we had this beautiful breaker and it has SMT with ES, right? So ES charts, okay, never took this high. And then we broke structure. Then, as I always tell you guys, you enter at with the golden bullet fib. Let me show you. Okay. You enter at the 0.6 or whatever fib retracement you like, right? So I didn't do it. Okay. I thought at first I was trading with minis, right? But then, yeah, everything happened after. So I waited for the breaker and then I waited for this inverse or this gap to get inversed in here, and I entered at the BPR. So this was the BPR because we closed this FVG with another FVG. So this FVG will be strong as hell. Okay. And it was also at the 50%. So by doing so, okay, I put my stop just above here, to be honest, and I targeted these equal lows. Okay. Let me show you. So my target was here. Okay. Now, this is a 6-hour trade and I thought I took it with minis, but unfortunately, I didn't pay attention that I was in the MNQ charts, and this is why I activated now this watermark, so this won't happen another time. Okay. So this was normally a 430 trades, $400 trade, but I unfortunately just got $43 in it. Okay. But anyway, you saw the logic, right? So let's go to the M15. Okay. So M15, right? So we failed to close above this high, right? So if you guys are familiar with the T-Trades model, so my trade was also something like his indicator, okay? So you wait for it, then you wait for the next 20-minute or 15-minute to open. It will go into a FVG if there is one, or it can sweep some kind of high. But following the BPR, I knew this will be the high of that M15 candle, and I just took it to the equal lows. All right. So, or you could have taken it the stupid way, you know, just take it from the 50% and target the 1-to-1, or the Moneymaker 2.0. You know how it works, right? So, you take it for 2R and you're done, okay? Now, maybe same thing is happening here. And this is why I took TP here, because we had this beautiful zone, right? So this zone. Okay. This is why I took profits in here, because this was a beautiful zone that had accumulation in it. Okay. So this zone for sure will give the reaction. Okay. Sometimes it can give the reaction to even go up further and break even this zone. Okay, so I'm not playing anymore now. Took my setup. Unfortunately, the mistake happened. But yeah, or at least I kept in my rules, and the setup worked as it should. Okay, so I hope you guys learn some stuff from these videos, and I really wish you guys learn how we get the confirmations and everything. But before I end this video, I will go and show you guys the ES charts. Okay, I will show exactly what I mean by ES didn't take this high. Okay, so ES1, MES, yes. Okay, so ES, right? So ES failed even to go to the 50% of the zone, and this is the confirmation I was talking about. Okay, so ES never took that high and they broke structure. Then when Nasdaq never took the second high, ES took. So this is double SMT, which is like really high probability for, not for ES, but you take it with the pair that took the high. Okay, so Nasdaq is in this case. Okay, so if you can see, so this is the first SMT, and this was the second SMT. So as soon as I saw the second SMT, and so SMT without confirmation is nothing. Like SMT without PD array is really nothing. Okay, so when you see it happen, you wait for something to happen, aka you wait for an inverse, or you wait for a close under. To be honest, just these bodies candles. So this is a CSD for me in this case. Okay, CSD paired with a BPR, paired with an order block within a BPR. You short, you can this. All of these were trades. Okay, you can short into this fair value gap with this order block, and again, same target, the equal low. Okay, so as I was talking to you guys, so this zone, this beautiful zone gave the 1-to-1. Okay, so this is happening even on holidays, and it's happening over and over, and it will never stop. Okay, so yeah, you got the idea, right? So if you can go back and try to measure actually what happened in here. So you see why I always target the -2, because it's always this area here is always responsible of a retracement. Okay, so always be mindful of this happening before they reach target, if they want to reach, because sometimes the -2 will just reverse on you. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something with these videos, and if you guys have some questions, I'll gladly answer them. All right, okay, cool. See you guys in the next video. Ciao, ciao. Missed out on any futures update. And if you want to dive deeper into the Moneymaker setup, check out the playlist that will pop up in the end screen. It's packed with everything you need to get started. Remember, everything I do is free, including our thriving Discord community. Join us and let's keep growing together. Ciao, ciao.